স্বাগত সকল ইউটিউব দর্শকদের। আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতির তরফ থেকে আজকের এপিসোড টিস্যুর ওপর স্টার্ট করব। এপিসোড নাম্বার 41 বাই সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা। টিস্যু আমরা সবাই ভীষণ ভালোবাসি, কারণ এর মধ্যে না একটা খুব সুন্দর শিন থাকে, যেটা জারি দিয়ে ফ্যাব্রিকের মধ্যে উইভিং করা হয়। আর এটা স্পেশালাইজড ইন বেনারস। এছাড়া আরও নানা রকম স্টেটে ডেফিনেটলি তৈরি হয়, আমাদের বেঙ্গল থেকে শুরু করে সাউথে নানা রকম স্টেটসরাও তৈরি করছে, কিন্তু আজকে মূলত আমি বেনারসেরই বেশি দেখাবো। এটা আসছে পুরোটা টিস্যু কোটা, তার মধ্যে পেজলি ওভেন বর্ডার আছে। এটা চারকোল ব্ল্যাকের ওপর আছে বর্ডারটা, বাট যেহেতু এটা ওভেন উইথ গোল্ড, এটার একটা খুব সুন্দর টিস্যু ব্ল্যাকের একটা কালার এসছে। এটা নট জেট ব্ল্যাক, খুব সুন্দর একটা টিস্যু ব্ল্যাকের এফেক্ট এসছে। আর আমরা গোল্ডের সাথে গোল্ড জুয়েলারি, উই ইন্ডিয়ানস লাভ গোল্ড জুয়েলারি, সো তার সাথে গোল্ড জুয়েলারি ভীষণ ভালো যায় এগুলো। আমি এগুলো এক একটা দেখাবো, খুবই মানে মিনিমাম রেঞ্জ থেকে শুরু করে মোটামুটি যা যা রেঞ্জ এখন আমার কাছে আছে আমি সবই দেখাবো। এগুলো সামার ফর্মালস জন্য ভীষণ ভালো। দিস ইজ অনলি 2600 tissue gold with brocade woven blouse piece. Just see the blouse piece of the sari. It's absolutely woven all over weave, black and gold combination, and it's a very lightweight zari kota. I'll show you in single kibhabe lagbe eta. Eta single way te ashche. This is the single sari, single fold I mean, and this is the whole paisley border, and this is the whole look. All over gold weave, very lightweight, soft, easy to drape, but it won't be fluffy, you know, it will have a good fall. Very soft. See, this is the blouse piece. This is the sorry, we have a red border in this also. So if you want to see the picture, we'll show it to you on WhatsApp if you want, if you are interested in the red instead of the black. This is a mix and match sari. Price only 4,500 rupees with patola attached on the top, double border. This is tissue matka. This is tissue woven in matka to give it a gold look. See, this part I've cut off from the sari and then attached to woven patola border. See, this will be transparent like this part. Both the upper and the bottom part sari will be like this, and throughout the sari will be plain gold weave. The weave border will go just round like this. This is the border, red and black border, double border, and this is the sari with this is the blouse piece. You can make the this is the sleeves part. The sleeves will be in red and the body of the sari will be in gold. So you no need to give lining, or also you can give a lining and make also. So this will be the whole concept of the sari. 4,500. This is also a very soft fabric, good material. Now this is tissue jamdani. I love this sari. I'd worn it for one of the Poila Boishakh Pujo in my showroom also. I have the silver color of this, and this is the gold one. Just see the lovely jamdani weave, and it's very reasonably priced. This is product number 3. I think this is 3990. I'll just check the price and tell you. Just see the gold look, you know, it gives us such a beautiful the gold effect, and you know, you can always drape it very well. You can do lovely makeup with this also, the gold makeup, and all those are very pro in makeup, so it will give a very nice look. So this is only 3,900 only, 3,900, all over jamdani weave, and that also with a beautiful brocade woven blouse. See the and not very shiny gold, these are muted gold. Of course there will be a shine, but not like, you know, very loud. These are antique zari mainly. Just see the blouse piece. This here comes the blouse piece. So the blouse is also in antique gold, and this is the sari. Just see the weave. It will have tassels in the pallu, and see the fall is also very soft. Doesn't mean tissue will be stiff. It's not stiff at all. if you like the products or if you are interested in buying the products, all you have to do is take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp in the numbers provided. Phone calls will not be attended, only WhatsApp messages booking will be accepted. For further inquiries, or if you want to know any tracking number, also you can inquire via message. Phone calls only in case of emergency or directions, or if you want to know anything, just dial the 983 number, but the WhatsApp number is 76030-42696. This is tissue chicken with Parsi embroidery in the border. This is price 4350, product number 4A, 4350, all over thread work. Just see the lovely thread work in tissue, linen tissue. Beautiful pastel pink shades in the border. Throughout the thread work will be there. See, so soft, running blouse piece is there. This is the sari with running blouse piece, and same thing I'll show you, product number 4B, the same thing, just the color will be in blue. Same thing, two colors. This is also a lovely shade of Firoza and sea green. The same price, product number 4B, 4350, 4,350 rupees. So these are the two colors. Just you have to take the screenshot and send me to the numbers provided. After the bank transfer, we'll ship it to the given address. Shipping charges are applicable. This is 5A, very soft tissue Banarasi with thread work. Just see the lovely work. This is tissue Banarasi woven border in gold with tassels. This is the sari. So soft, and I'll show you the back part also. You can see the finish of the product. Beautiful, lovely feel, and the fall will also be very good. But preferably you don't make the tissue blouse. You make a red Banarasi woven or a red and gold blouse will look very nice with this. Though it has a running blouse piece, if you want, you do not cut the blouse. Just make a contrast blouse with this. And this is B, same thing in pink. So two colors I am showing you, pink and red. A and B, two colors, same thing. See the work, the embroidery with Banarasi woven border. I think this is 6,500 rupees price, 6500, two colors. Number 6, same thing, 6,500, but the border changes. This is in pink with all over buta. Same price, just the color is in pink, hot pink color. Gold sari all over woven. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We ship worldwide, cash on delivery only in Kolkata. Charges applicable, and outside Kolkata by courier. First come first serve basis. Certain products can be ordered but on minimum advance payment, and you have to give us time to do it, and the time will be approximate time because these are woven or embroidered, or it may be delayed due to polish or something. You have to bear with us. Suppose we say 7 days, so we definitely try to do it within 7 days or maybe 2-3 days more. Please bear with us. And this is also a very nice sari. It's in tissue linen with again all over chicken work. All over thread work. Just see the thread work. For summer, these look very nice. You wear nice jewelry with these. It looks very nice with these. You know, you get. We have a lot of these costume jewelries which you can check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. or also the Insta page. The link is already provided in the description below. This is the sari. Very nice color, 4,500 rupees. That is product number 7, and the same thing in pink, product number 8. Product number 8 in pink. Here also I would suggest, you can wear a lovely printed orange and pink printed blouse. It will look very nice with printed handloom printed blouses or thread work blouse instead of the sari blouse, because the sari blouse usually tissue, they don't last very long however good the fabric is, because we do it very tight now, the stitches, even if you give proper lining, with after a few wears it becomes a bit ektu pije that the fabric doesn't last very long, but if you wear a contrast blouse with this, it will look definitely better also. Printed blouse or digital printed, floral printed blouse, you can get a lot of options. If you want, we can send you pictures, blouse pieces pictures also, which will go with the sari. Now with this is also a tissue linen. These are all very soft tissues and very lightweight, summery, very pastel shades. Product number 9, price is 3,990 rupees in light powder blue color, sky blue with silver zari. See the work, it's Korath work, throughout thread work in off-white color, in white color, milk white thread work with silver zari border, silver tissue. This is fully thread work and it's a beautiful pastel shade. You can wear a silver blouse with this also. This is the pallu part. The color is very, very soothing. All the colors that I'll be showing today are very fresh colors, a little different than the usual bright colors that I show. So many of you all have requested me to show light colors also. So here is a few of them. This is the blouse piece. This is a very nice blouse piece. You can wear with this blouse also, or a silver blouse, or you can wear a different contrast blouse also if you can mix and match with these. 2 colors in this, a lemon, and I already showed you a nice sky blue color, product number 10, again with silver zari, lemon and silver zari. The work is very, very eye soothing. See the work, all over thread work. 4,500 rupees, ideal for gifting also. See the back side. This is the look. And again the blouse is same. Whenever you are messaging for a booking, kindly mention your name, your address, or the place. At least, even if it's not the address, at least you can mention, suppose Hyderabad or Bangalore, where we have to ship. So I'll give you the details of the amount. Product number 11. Okay, before that, let me tell you something about my sari. I'm wearing a tissue all over woven. This is a chicken curry thread work sari, all over woven, and its tissue, its color is copper zari tissue. So the color is like slightly beige color, fudge color, throughout work, woven Banarasi border. This is again a thread work shikarga border, embroidery, again chicken work border, and then throughout work. This is the fall of the sari. This is the look. It has a running blouse piece. Price 4,990 rupees, 4,990 for the sari with the running blouse, and the neck piece that I am wearing, the neck piece along with this jhumka is 3,500 rupees. 3,500 rupees. This is a very smart, sleek 3-line of intricate work in antique gold. 3,500 with the jhumka. And the bangles, the eddy setting bangles that I am wearing, it's 1,990 rupees a pair. 2 pieces together, 1,990 rupees. And the sari I have already told you, one side broad border, The other side will have the Banarasi border with all over thread work. This is 4,990 rupees. Okay, so now this one I'll show you 3 pieces. For 11A, probably 2 colors, not 3, 2 colors. Light sea green color with all over Meena dollar butta. All over Meena dollar butta. I hope you can see the tissue. It's sea green with tissue woven, tissue border, 3,600 rupees, and the lovely Tanchoi blouse piece. Just see the blouse piece, it's totally woven. This is the back side. This is the blouse piece. Rich woven blouse piece, all over weave. And this is price again, I think 3,600 rupees, and lovely shade of sea green color. Again here I am showing you the blouse piece. This is the whole look. Yes, it is product number 11A, 3,600 rupees. 11B, I'll just open half of this because same sari, just the color will be different. A peach pink, lovely pastel peach pink color with again all over dollar butta in gold and orange. Tanchoi woven blouse, the woven same blouse piece, and this is the sari, 3,600. And third color will be lime green color. 3 beautiful shades, all one piece. That's why I'm showing all the colors that are available. See the colors. Just take the screenshot. This is the blouse piece. Again the same Tanchoi blouse piece, and this is the sari. All the 3 colors are very soft pastel colors and very pretty colors. This is again a tissue Banarasi Tanchoi Baluchori weave, but no figures. Product number 12A, price rupees 4,800 rupees. Just see the weave of the sari. This is the back side. I'll show you the back side. This is the back side of the sari. Very neat weave. Very traditional combination, ideal for gifting mother-in-laws, parents, mothers, mother-in-laws, even for wedding purpose you can gift this. For Poila Boishakh, Akshaya Tritiya, very nice color combination in gold and tomato red. This is the pallu with fully resham woven, intricate resham woven pallu border, 4,800 rupees only in gold and red color combination. Very nice Shidure Lal color tata. And the blouse comes in gold. Definitely make the blouse with this. It's a very good fabric. This is the border. This is the sari. I'll show you 3 lovely shades and weaves in this. B, 12B, the same thing in black, same thing in black color, and again the blouse will be all over butta till the end, the blouse gold with border. Lovely sari, beautiful sari. And the third color is Rani color, pink color. All the 3 shades are very pretty. This is the look, same blouse piece, running blouse with border. This is the blouse piece. Now here is, I too have this sari because it's a beautiful digital printed tissue sari. Extremely soft, lightweight and rich gold woven border. Very smart look, you know. Even youngsters will look very nice in these. Because it's floral digital print, product number 13, 3,850 rupees. 3,850 rupees, product number 13. See the print. Soft pastel floral in gold with light gold zari, and this is the woven blouse piece with border. So this is the sari. The same sari in a different digital print, product number 14, 3,850 rupees. Just see the print. This border changes, 3850. Just see the fall of the sari. Ideal for summer formals. Throughout it will be like this, with from big to small prints, smaller flowers, and this same blouse, woven blouse. This is the sari. Very smart look. Range wise, it's really pretty sari. Number 15, I will show you some really fancy stuff. This is pure Kanjivaram with all over zari weave. It has a totally tissue effect all over. Just see the intricate weave of the zari. This is all over work, all over weave. Absolutely stunning piece, hand woven with 3-color border, dhala jodi border, yellow color border, and this one also. 3-color border, and see the lovely pallu and the blouse piece. This is the pallu. This is the blouse piece. Very rich looking sari, like our idol Rekha ji sports, or also Kiran Kher ji wears these kind of lovely gold Kanjivarams. So keeping that in mind, I had asked my weaver to weave a few gold kind Kanjivaram within our limits. So I think he's done a good job. This is the fully lovely effect gold Kanjivaram. This is the look. And this is priced 15,900 rupees with pink blouse piece. 15,900 pure Kanjivaram, product number 15. The other one, the same type, product number 16. This is 14,950 rupees. Again another Kanjivaram. But with deep red border. Totally gold, all over woven in pure pattu. This is the border. Since the sari is all over woven, the border is kept very simple but absolutely rich silk. And this is the pallu. And here goes the rich red blouse piece. Only 14,950 rupees. Very rich traditional sari. Even for brides, it would be a very nice sari for, you know, wearing red gold combination. This is a very nice sari. See the back part, absolutely totally woven. It's beautiful. Very heavy quality silk. Now this is in tissue designer embroidery in Zardozi. Totally handwork in pure tissue Banarasi. Fully gold. These are all embroidery all over buta These buttas will be cherry booty all over, handwork booty with sequence highlight in the pallu. This is the pallu part, and running blouse piece. See the gold, very soft pure zari. Product number 17, 9,500 rupees. 9,500, product number 17. Very smart looking sari, very smart. Pure gold tissue Banarasi with Zardozi. Again another Kanjivaram. Product number 18, 12,500 rupees. 12,500. All gold with, that was a red plain border. This has Nakshi border. This is the woven border. Tanchoi weave, and this is all tissue. Silk with tissue all over woven. These are the Tanchoi weaves all over. This is the sari. Blouse piece in rich red, all over weave. This is also a very beautiful sari. The color, especially the gold color, is very, very different. Silk tissue woven, pure silk with tissue woven and with Jamdani embroidery. The Dhakai weaves that we see in our Dhakai saris, those motifs but in embroidery form, all over embroidery. Just see the color. It's a beautiful shade of gold, deep gold. These are all tissue woven, the main basic, but you know the fabric, this is the back side. Just see the finish, the neatness of the work. This is the look. Multi-color tassels. 11,900 rupees, 11,900 with running blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with this. 11,900 all over work. Very, very soft fine fabric so that you get a lovely fall. So much embroidery, but it is very, very comfortable. This is the look. See the work. This is also very nice. This is, we had more options in this, but now only one available. Banarasi tissue weave with silver zari. The color combination is with midnight blue and burnt red. 15,900 rupees, product number 20. 15,900. See the weave. Very pretty weave. These are, you know, handloom sarees and hand woven. See the blouse piece. The blouse piece is kept simple because the saree is all over woven. This is the look. Product number 21, the last one. This is in tissue georgette. Soft tissue woven in georgette, pure georgette with printed kalamkari border. This is the pallu part, but this is fully tissue. Just see the, I hope you can see, this is absolute tissue woven. This part is not tissue woven. This part is tissue woven. The printed part doesn't have the tissue. So the print is like this. We've kept the print this way, and this is the pallu. Tissue georgette with throughout very soft fine fabric, featherweight, and printed kalamkari blouse. Product number 21. Very smart looking sari, but only one piece. And just take the screenshot if you like the product. Please keep liking, sharing and subscribing for regular notifications. I think I got the price. This is price rupees 7,500 rupees. 7,500. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskar.